In today's video, I'm going to be budgeting another supplemental pay / unemployment check. Let's get into it. If this is your first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I do talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. So I really encourage that you do subscribe to the channel, and I just want to remind everyone to stop what you're doing and give this video a thumbs up. It does help to support the channel, and it spits it out for anyone who may need to see this content. Make sure that you guys share it with a fellow bestie of yours, a bestie who's may not be a bestie yet, but they may need to see this content. Let's get into it. Oh, don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, please, please, please. I want to try and get 1,000 likes on this video. 1,000 likes. Can we get to 1,000 thumbs up on this video? So first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you everyone for the love that you have been showing on all of the videos, but especially the video where I was sharing my heart and my gratitude for all of you guys. I haven't gotten to all of the comments yet, but it is definitely my goal, and I will get to every single comment and reply to you personally. But for right now, I just want to give an overall thank you to everyone. I really truly appreciate you guys' support. It does not go unseen at all. So I am budgeting my supplemental paycheck, and that is going to be, I hope that I already have December's, oh gosh, I have to print. Oh my gosh, I haven't printed, and I'm gonna need to print. But anyways, let me print some sheets. I totally forgot to do that. I'll be right back. All right, so I was able to go ahead and print out a budget tracker sheet here for December. And first, what I'm gonna need to do, there are some things that haven't come out yet for this paycheck that for the last thing that I budgeted for. So the life insurance hasn't come out, the gym haven't come out, and the car insurance haven't come out either, because we haven't gotten there yet. So what I'm gonna do, so the 138.77, this has come out, but I haven't paid my credit card yet. So this is the way that I am going to budget for this month. So this is gonna be the paycheck of the 6th. I believe it's the 6th. And as far as the inflow amount, what I'm going to be working with is $2,082.85. Now, it might be a little bit more than that, but I don't see in the system where I'm able to see how much money I'm gonna be getting. I don't see a full supplemental paycheck. I only see half of it. So I don't know what's happening, but this is the reason why I am budgeting the way that I'm budgeting. And basically, I am pretty much 1 month ahead in my bills being paid, because I feel as though how I'm being paid is, I don't know until the money actually hits my account. But I want to stop budgeting on the actual morning of. I'd rather budget the night before, and then if there are any adjustments that I need to make on the next day, I can do that. So I really want to get back to that. But if you feel as though budgeting once you get the money in your account works best for you because you have accurate numbers, then definitely do that. So we're working with a total here of $2,082.85. So in the area of the fixed expenses, these are my bills. These are the things that I have to pay regardless. And if I don't pay it, it'll be cut off, shut off, canceled, foreclosure, like all kind of bad things happen. So these are my bills here. So the very first thing that I do is I do tithe. I do give God his 10% off top, and that will be done on the same day, and that has already been taken out of the inflow amount, okay? And I do not share what that actual number is. And then also, as far as my mortgage is concerned, now my mortgage is sent to another account. Half of the money is deducted or deposited into this account every 2 weeks. So that is already being put over there as well. And I have already taken that amount out of here as well. And then now what we're gonna do, since my bills are pretty much budgeted for, anything that hasn't been budgeted for from the last paycheck or paid or taken out, I'm just gonna add it here. So this will be internet cable, because this hasn't been paid yet. This is $138.77. And when I say it hasn't been paid yet, I mean I haven't paid the credit card yet, because I have it on auto pay, and it comes out of my, it's paid on my credit card, and then I pay it from my bill account. Now the ADT has been paid, SiriusXM and electric has been paid. Now the next is the life insurance. And with the life insurance, that's $117.04. And that comes out on 12/15. And then the gym comes out on 12/15 as well, and that's $32.99. And then the car and home insurance, and that comes out on the 20th, and that is $175.93. Now I'm gonna look to see what other bills may need to come out, and I'm gonna look in the month of December. Now I am budgeted all the way up until the 20th. So anything after this would be my solar, gas, court, Apple. So I'm gonna put here court, because I know for one, I already know what that is. That's $75. And that comes out on the 28th. And then next would be solar. I'm gonna see if my solar bill is already out. I don't think that it is, but let me check. All right, so I did take a look to see if my solar bill and my gas bill was available, and it was not, because I'm very early. So what I did was, I looked at last year to see how much I paid. For my solar, I am going to budget $100 for it. And then for my gas, I am going to budget a total of, for my gas, I'm gonna budget, I think it was $63, so I'm gonna budget $70 for my gas. And there's also something that's gonna be coming out, is a clear payment. This is for traveling, and that's going to be coming out on the 4th of January. So I do want to save half of that, and 189 divided by 2 is $94.50. So I'm going to save for that. So this is clear payment. It's an annual fee of $189. And so I'm just gonna put here 12/6. The payment's not coming out, but I'm just saving half of it, and I'm just gonna save $95 for half of it. So these are all of the bills that I have left. All of the other bills have been paid for the month, and then we're gonna start going into January of January of next year. So I'm not going to budget for that until the next paycheck. However, I am going to just keep the money in my account for the most part. I'm not going to spend it or anything, whatever's left over, to make sure that I have enough money for those bills once they come up. So now I am going to add everything that has been budgeted for under the fixed expenses. So it comes up to a total of $804.73. And what we have left, I'm going to take here the $2,082.85, and I am going to subtract $804.73, and that gives remaining $1,278.12. Now we're going to go into the variable expenses. 127812. And usually here I have categories like eating out, household items. Well, household is now a sinking fund, but toiletries and gas for my car. So here I am going to budget for eating out. And I am going to budget, let me see, I'm not sure if I'm going to be like going out to eat anywhere, but I'm going to budget $100 for eating out. And then for toiletries, I'm actually going to, for the toiletries, I'm actually going to put that in a sinking fund. So I'm actually not going to budget anything here. And then next, gas. So this is for my car. And let me see how much I owe in gas. 2112 plus 5571 plus 5250 plus 2404 plus 4675. So $212. Now the reason why this is a little bit more than it normally is because I had to put gas in the rental car when I had the rental car when my car was getting fixed. So that's the reason why I have a little bit more that I need to pay in gas there. And that's all here. So that's $312. So 1278.12 minus $312. This is $978 that we're left with. Now going up top here, $978. So here in the sinking funds area, I'm going to do something real quick. I usually put the cleaners, so I need to put my clothes in the cleaners. I put $100 last time. This time I am going to put $50 this time. And then household, I'm gonna put $50. And then medical, I'm gonna put $10. And then skincare, I'm gonna add $50 because I plan on getting some skincare products. So 50 plus 50 plus 10 plus 50, so that's 160. So 978 minus 160 is 812. And here left over with 812. I am going to save, that's usually what I have here, right? I'm going to save $300. This $300 is going to make me, or add to the regular savings that I have, and that's going to be $1,000. I'm going to take that $1,000. I am going to deposit it into my high yield savings account and keep on trucking. So I'll have $500, which will be remaining for rollover. And I'm super excited because I saved $1,000 in like no time. Like, that is wild to me. Between November and December, I saved $1,000. That's crazy. Crazy to me. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All my bills are paid for the month of December. The next paycheck that I get, which will be on, well, it'll start with the unemployment, and then this pay, and then of course that $500, that will pay for probably the first half of January, and you know, stay pretty much a month ahead. And yeah, so super excited. This is taking a lot of discipline, I will say. For sure. The last thing that I want to do before I go is I do want to note here which bills are on auto pay. Internet cable is on auto pay. Life insurance is on auto pay. The gym is on auto pay. Car and home insurance is on auto pay. Court is on auto pay. Solar and gas, and then the clear payment is on auto pay as well. But I do have to manually go in there and pay my solar and gas bill. And that's pretty much it. Everything else I will need to take it out of the bank, and then I am going to stuff those cash envelopes. So that will be the next video that I will be putting out. So things are going good. God is providing in this time. Make sure you guys stay tuned for a couple of things. I am going to be doing the 12 days of Vlogmas. So I'm going to actually start vlogging, or my everyday uploads, on the 12th of December. And lots of great things coming up. We are currently doing the Know Your Numbers Challenge. We're going to be doing our annual no spin challenge coming up in January. Vlogs are going to be starting. Super excited about that. I also have another product that I'm working on as well. And yeah, everything's looking good. Make sure you guys stay connected to my socials, as I will be putting out information. But thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl, and I'll see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out. Oh, don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, please, please, please. I want to try and get 1,000 likes on this video. 1,000 likes. Can we get to 1,000 thumbs up on this video? Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.